Hey glass people, it's Jamaison, and I've got an unboxing for you here, but before I show you what I got, I've got to talk about the Glass After Dark Wednesday evening show and games and craziness that we're going to have in Vegas. So if you're coming to Vegas for the Glass Expo in April, it is Wednesday, April 15th. There are still tickets available. I am promising a great time. We have special guests that I'm going to interview on stage. We have a ton of games. There's going to be I can't even fathom how many giveaways there's going to be. There's drinks involved, so make sure you get your tickets. And this unboxing is related to the Glass Expo. I am teaching 2 classes there. Now the classes are sold out. I think there's a waiting list. So if you missed out on the classes, you might try to join the wait list, but I'm teaching on Wednesday, same class, but 2 sessions, one in the morning and one in the afternoon. And this relates to that. So I'm teaching basically a jewelry making class, you know, somewhat some basics, but I hope I'm bringing to you some unique ideas that maybe you haven't tried before. And we're gonna play with Dichro. And so what I have here is a box that came from Coatings by Sandberg, CBS. You're familiar with CBS Dichroic glass. And they have shipped me my class materials, and I'm telling you, this is gonna be fun. So I've opened the top of it up, and what I can see here on the top, there's a lot of peanuts. Got some brochures and some business cards and some super fun holographic stickers there. So if you're in the class, you're gonna get that. But here's what's more exciting. I have asked for something that maybe many of you have not had a chance to play with before, and I think it is very underrated. And this is it. It's emerald green Dichro. I'm gonna come around. It's Dichro extract. So this is dichroic extract, which means you can use it on any COE glass. It does not have to be a specific type. Now y'all know I'm a bullseye guy, but there is little dichroic powder in these jars, and every student in my class is going to end up with a jar of dichro powder, and we're going to play with this extract. So super fun there. So there's probably several of those. And then this one is a green and magenta. And so this one, you can see maybe the kind of purpley magenta look that you get in there. So primo. So I wanted these 2 colors specifically, and we are going to have fun. So I'm just digging. Thank you to CBS for being such a huge supporter of the glass industry. Anyway, they have a great, beautiful, sparkly booth at the expo. So if you're coming to the expo and you're going to be there on the expo floor, make sure you stop. I'm just rooting around to find more of these jars. Make sure that you stop at their booth, because it's a sight to behold, let me tell you. Look at this. There's a lot of jars in here, folks, because each student is getting 2 jars. So you're going to have fun in my class, and you're hopefully going to use something that maybe you haven't used before. Now this I'm going to try to get out of here without making a big mess. This is a full sheet of Dichro. Now I didn't need it as a full sheet because it's going to get cut up, so I had them cut it into quarters, which makes the shipping a little bit easier. So I think, yep, there's another one in here. So let me show you this. So if you're not familiar with Coatings by Sandberg, it's I will put their website down below, but it is, well, let's see here, maybe it is on the business card, because I want to make sure that I get it correct. Yep, cbs-dichroic.com. I will put it at the bottom of the screen. All right, let's crack this open. Really, I love dichroic glass. Now this is dichroic on 90 because I'm a bullseye guy, and so we'll be using bullseye in my specific course. I'm going to very carefully get one of these out because it looks amazing. There we go. There we go. Trying to be so careful here because I don't want to knock this other one on the floor. Look how beautiful. how beautiful that is. Can you believe it? We are going to have so much fun in this class. So again, if you can't, if you can join the wait list. I can't get any more into the class, but this is thin on black, thin black, and it's this beautiful, you know, kind of rainbowy look. Thank you, CBS, for shipping this to me. I am going to get started cutting. I'm pre-cutting for the class, so I'm going to get started on this, and we will see you in Vegas in 2 months.